Alright, Nera Robert Kyagulanyi Center Bobi Wine bazzeemu ne bamulemesa okwakisesinga ekifo wabadde alina okukuba rally mu kibuga kye Fort Portal. I think it's now becoming a habit. Bobi Wine lwagenda mu kibuga like a city always aba ina kusooka kusikangana muguwa ne police. Onako olwaleero abadde alina okukuba his main rally mu Fort Portal. Yakedde okuva ewakawe emagere essaawa z'abadde 9 ogw'ekiro okusobola otuuka mu budde akube rally zombiriri z'abadde alina okukuba. Naye zombiriri alemeseddwa okuba nga azituukako. Ensonga road blocks zibadde zifuse road blocks. Abadde alina otuuka e Fort Portal okwogera n'abantu be Fort Portal abadde bamulindiridde mu kisaawe naye tasobodde kuba addressinga olw'ensonga police n'amagye bibadde bimustopinze. This time round, for the first time, police n'amagye bagowinze physical ku Bobi Wine ne batuuka n'okumuyuza engoye z'abadde ayambadde kate ayite buti. Now kankulage ekibadde olunaku olwaleero ate tukomewo okwongera okudigestinga this matter furthermore.
Solwana nabo. Temulwana. Don't fight with them. Rumba, I am going to campaign. Okay? Manage mubareke. Don't fight with them. Don't go to your car. I am going to the rally. No. I am going to the town, sir. This is the road. You are police. You can lead me. No. You can follow me. But I am not going to take 4 hours to reach my rally. I left Kampala at 3 a.m. in the morning. I have not campaigned because you blocked all the roads. No, sir. Put me in the police vehicle and drive me to the rally. Okay. You stop.
President Kagame alikuwa police drive. President Kagame moto kaba mvuge mpaka kulale. Akiriza bamvuge mpaka kulale. Agamba tasbawo mpaka agenda kulale. President Kagame.
No. Let's get a car.
Agambye balete moto kaba mvuge akiriza. The president has accepted. Tada mabega bamvuge kauli.
Yes, you are going to kill.
Yes, no, we cannot. President akiriza if you are king.
Look how you're embarrassing me. Look how you're humiliating me. You're provoking me to violence. I will not fight with you, sir. I will not fight with you. Be humble. I'm not going to fight with you. I'm not committing any crime. I'm a presidential candidate. Block the road all day. I'm not talking to you. What you're doing to me.
No one is pushing you.
Okay? No. I am going to campaign. And I am not going to go. I am not going to go anywhere else. Do whatever you want to do. You bring it here.
Let them bring the vehicle.
Yes, I think I think
you're going to kill me. The world is watching you, Bihembo. The world is watching you, Bihembo. Namoza, the world is watching you. You are officers of the law, but you're breaking the law. You're doing everything criminal.
I'm ready to die.
Okay? I'm a presidential candidate. Why do you beat me? Why do you close the road to me? Why do you humiliate me like this? What have I done to you? This is wrong, my brother. This that you're doing is wrong. You are officers of the law.
The media car first. The media car first. The media car first. Patira kosamwa. Namu was alaide. They are blocking here again. President, what do you President agambe chebakora chebagala chebakola tayagala kulwana nabo. Namuza ita buyambi tabulaba.
Where's our team? Where's my security?
Eri kukuranga. President tambule kwebale. Chef Rumu.
You are wasting the time so that you block me that I am late.
Namuza alaidi.
The time so that you block me that I am late for my campaign. Yes. Why are you doing this? People power! Our power!
Wajati yayize maso ngeye kula mfumo.
Everything that we are doing is legal here.
Mutu banga boja.
What do you want from us now?
Bihembo.
Why don't you let me campaign? Bihembo, what is your problem, my brother?
We are going for a rally.
Oh, I'm keeping the record. That man. That man. That man wants to shoot us.
Fande namuza toye order. Fande namuza ya chirimu agambe ichiba chibe. No crossing here. Agambe cut off the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, those of you that are following, mwebana mawulire abachaliko oyo musajja alagidde bajeka abantu simanyi kye bagala kunkola olabye olinga cooking emuntu to all the international community. My name is Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I am a presidential candidate in Uganda, but those that have been following me all day, they blocked all the roads. Right now, I'm wearing a bulletproof and a ballistic helmet because I'm fearing for my life. You have just seen a police officer coaching his gun, and now they are blocking the journalists. Anything that happens to me now, there's a police officer called Namuoza and a police officer called Bihembo. They are ordered by Museveni's son Muhoozi and Museveni himself. I want to make this a statement. Whatever happens to me now, whatever happens to my wife now, whatever happens to anybody, I want you to know that our lives are in danger in the hands of the police and the military. I'm a presidential candidate. I'm supposed to be campaigning in this district, but they block the roads all day. The Electoral Commission knows I'm supposed to be campaigning here. The Electoral Commission chairperson is silent. Every evening, the police spokesperson goes on TV and says, I disobey traffic rules. Look what the police is doing. They are closing the roads. The roads are closed over there. The roads are closed over there. This is the Ugandan military. It is supposed to be Uganda People's Defense Forces. But they have come to make horror on us. I don't know if I'm going to be alive in the next 1 hour. But I'm telling you this, and I'm telling the people of Uganda, I want you to be aware who is responsible for my life. Uchida mu Uganda, erimwe namwe n'abana Uganda batulaba wano n'abetolodde ensi yonna yonna. Nabudde Kampala ku ssaawa 9 ez'ekiro. Nembuka emmotoka twatuuse ekyenjojo nga bagaddewo ekkubo nti Museveni agenda campaigninga mu disitulikiti eyo sinakozesa makubo nabadde mbuzayo dakiika 3 okutuuka we ngenda okolera campaign ne batusalako oluguudo ne balugala ne batubugisa essaawa 3 naye mu bitundu ebyo byonna nga bagadde amakubo sina campaigninga olunaku lwaleero lwonna eri awo nyina campaigninga Fort Portal City abantu bajjudde gye bali batulinze poliisi ezze esalako amakubo ne wano weetulese ng'emaze okuba abantu emiggo neerabazeemu basazeeko kaakati njagala ensi yonna emanye obulamu bwange buli matiga obwa mukyala wange buli matiga kuba ndi naye olw'abannange bendi nabo ne bakandideeti be tuli nabo tetulina n'omusango n'ogumu gwe tukoze zize ng'abo abantu tebakola fujjo era tewali akoze fujjo. I've been telling people not to be violent. Nobody has been violent. It is the police and the military that are being violent. There's a man there called Namuoza, he's a police officer. There's another man called Yembo, he's a police officer. They are chasing away the crowd. They are soon going to get the cameras. I want to know what's going on here.
He's ready to die. The president says.
I've told the world. The
president says, I'm ready to die.
Campaigning abantu banize. I am going to work.